हम अतुल जी की एक बहुत ही डिफरेंट साइड एक्सपोज करने वाले हैं. Why are you on Tinder? Why were you on Tinder?
So I went on Tinder. I told my wife I'm going on Tinder just to explore. और मैंने उसमें ना bio था I'm happily married, here for research purposes only.
Research.
कोल्डप्ले की टिकट्स लाई हुई थी दुबई में भी. तो वहाँ एक कुछ मैंने पूछा how many of you got कोल्डप्ले टिकट. एक ने बंदे ने हाथ I got. I said how many tickets? तो 9 tickets. फिर मैं उसको बोला अरे यार सर एक बताइए ये कोल्डप्ले के जो 4 बैंड में मुझे उनके नाम बताइए. पता ही नहीं था. तो ऑन द स्पॉट मैंने बोला सर मैं बताता हूँ. देखिए क्रिस मार्टिन वो सबको पता है. दूसरा है अनु मलिक, फिर सोनू निगम और शान. ये 4 हैं. आप तो जाने वाले वो बैंड वो कलरफुल बैंड लाके वो स्काई फुल ऑफ स्टार्स में रील बनाने जा रहे हो.
हाँ बिल्कुल. Atul, stop it! Oh, what a shot!
How do I get off? How do I get off? How do I get off? See, I'm getting my green back. Hey, Shabash! All these roasts and all, whatever you see roasts, they all sometimes written jokes. I have to run the jokes to the heavy roast में भी ये हुआ. And actually, today I don't say it. Tanmay says it on stage. उसका एक set था. They got arrested finally. And the police told क्या आपने बोला क्या था? हमको पता नहीं आपके अगेंस्ट कंप्लेन आई है. So वो वीडियो पे वो लोग AIB रोस्ट देख रहे हैं पुलिस वाले. And they are laughing.
सच्ची में?
True story.
So why do you think it went out of proportion?
Hi guys, my name is Atul Khatri and I am 56 years old. You know, usually I get a clap over here. Tali bajao sab log. Thank you. Because at the age of 56, I'm India's oldest English stand-up comedian. In fact, I'm so old, or rather, these comedians in our country are so young, all in their mid-20s, early 20s, that whenever I perform with them backstage, they get confused. Should we call him dude or should we call him dad? And honestly, doing stand-up comedy at this age is very tough. Huh? No, it's not the talking part, because as we guys get older, we can speak for hours. It's the bloody standing part which is the problem.
Atul,
mic drop.
Mic drop. By the way, what is this, Atul? What? एक मिनट आपका थोड़ा सा. He's our guest. We have to be very nice. He's our celebrity today. ये क्या आप कर रहे हो?
Thank you, buddy.
Please,
Thank you
please,
so
please,
much.
have a seat. Please have a seat.
I'll keep my mic here. Yes.
Please keep your mic here. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Welcome. एक कैमरा नीचे कर. क्या कर रहा है यार तू? हाँ हो गया कैमरा सब हो गया सेटिंग.
All set.
Okay, all set. Atul, I want to tell you that I don't know if you know, the world knows me as Vishal Malhotra, Punjabi, but I'm half Sindhi.
Oh.
Very proud half Sindhi, Motwani.
Oh, fantastic.
है ना? And I love Sindhis. I love their philosophy to everything in life. And मुझे जो philosophy उनका especially पैसों के बारे में, I love that. And I know कि I share that amazing thought with you.
Absolutely.
And मैं undoubtedly, not because you're here, Zakir has been here, a lot of amazing people have been here, but I am telling you this, you are my favorite, most favorite stand-up comic ever.
So sweet. Thank you so much.
No, I mean it. And I have been wanting to watch your show for years now. Daddy Cool, especially the times that you started. But as you all know, he's so in demand that जब भी इनका show announce होता है तो ज़्यादातर I miss out on the tickets. I can't buy it. And that's the reason that मैंने ये podcast शुरू किया है ताकि मैं ये amazing जिनके मैं fan boys हूँ मैं अपने show में बुलाऊँ इनसे ये सब करवाऊँ live. So one bucket list is done. The absolute OG of Indian stand-up comedy, Atul Khatri in the house. So nice to have you.
Thank you.
I'm a big fan.
Thank you
I'm
so
a
much.
big fan. But let's start with.
Absolutely.
We're going to आज मुद्दे की बात करने वाले हैं. बहुत ही serious बातें होंगी आज.
Okay.
हम अतुल जी की एक बहुत ही different side expose करने वाले हैं. Atul, can I have you request you to get your serious face on? तो पहला आरोप आपके खिलाफ ये है कि आप हंगामा कर रहे हैं टिंडर की दुनिया में. आपने टिंडर, आप कहते हैं कि आपने एज अ रिसर्च इस ऐप को यूज करा. can't even give a straight face यार. Give a straight face. Why are you on Tinder? Why were you on Tinder? And
Okay.
why am I not on Tinder?
Oh, good, you're not on Tinder. See, as comedians, हमको research करना पड़ता है. करेक्ट
Research.
हाँ रिसर्च करना पड़ता है क्योंकि क्या होता है दैट वी आर परफॉर्मिंग टू यंग पीपल हु आर ऑन टिंडर हु आर ऑन बम्बल हु आर ऑन हिंज तो पता करना चाहिए कि व्हाट इज इट एंड यू शुड एज अ कमेडियन हैव एन एंगल टू इट ये तो लोग टिंडर बोले ये क्या हो रहा है ना सो आई वेंट ऑन टिंडर आई टोल्ड माय वाइफ आई एम गोइंग ऑन टिंडर जस्ट टू एक्सप्लोर ओके and my bio I was just there for 2-3 months then,
Really?
yeah then I got out of Tinder और मैंने उसमें ना bio था I'm happily married here for research purposes only you know if you have any comedy shows requirement please get in touch
With a married Sindhi man on Tinder. But tell me, did you get any success on it?
no I got 2-3 reactions but I didn't pursue it to be very honest with you because ऐसा नहीं किया कि I'm because usually what I know because I talk to a lot of my young comedian friends who are single and all that so the thing is they meet people on Tinder they find each other excellent then they move to WhatsApp or to a much more faster communication method rather than going and Tinder में एक चीज मेरे को अच्छा लगा था क्या was I don't know अभी how they changed it a long time but they started it so to get on Tinder you have to come through your Facebook profile which means you already have some kind of a verification it is not some trolls and all.
Absolutely.
So, and it also showed you, I remember a lot of common friends. Or you can go to Seema Taparia from Bombay and and meet her. She's a good friend of mine. उनके पास जाइए आप.
I love Seema. I've never met her. I've fleetingly एक दो पार्टी में hello hi introduce हुआ. And
Oh, she's an amazing woman.
Yeah.
Very, very क्या बोलते हैं मारवाड़ी business woman. She's very clear what she wants and she's extremely practical. जो बोलती भी है शो पे कि बस you won't get 100%, 60% मिलेगा.
खुश रहो.
खुश रहो. You know, adjust कर लो. You know, तुमको तो मिलेगा नहीं तुम्हारा ये है वो है. Very ऐसे ही तो होना चाहिए यार.
You know her personally?
I've met her. She recently released a new some album. I had gone for the उसके opening. She sings also. उन्होंने कुछ उसके she's on YouTube जाके देखो 2 गाने गाए उन्होंने.
You know the songs?
No, I don't know.
And what language is it?
It's in Hindi.
हिंदी में गा रही है वो? Amazing. I think she's an enterprising lady.
Yeah, absolutely. And she's known all over the world. That series जो भी था क्या था?
वो Netflix पर था ना ये marriage.
Marriage पे हाँ.
हाँ मतलब
I
fixing
forget the
marriages
name.
and all that stuff. Yeah.
It was such a hit, yeah.
Her personality came out.
Yeah,
Her personality
absolutely,
came out really, really well, and I think she's made it to everywhere. But you know, talking about Bombay Boy,
Absolutely, Bombay boy.
Khar based,
Yes.
Thadumal,
Thadumal Shani studied in Bandra.
Nationals, Thadumal,
हाँ.
मतलब smartness तो you're somewhere else only, engineering guy, computers, hardware business, Sindhi businessman to a Sindhi comic.
Correct.
Journey's been fun.
Super fun. I never regret those 25, 26 years of doing that business, what I did. I think that taught me a lot of things and I so enjoy and I was in the computer business which was actually quite a glamorous business. In a way, every 2-3 months there's a new processor coming out, some new technology coming out. So it's काफी good, it's not boring. It's not at all boring. You get a lot of things to learn in it. So I should really enjoy it. But it's just that I found comedy at a later age and I started enjoying that more. And for 4 years I did both my comedy as well as in the evenings and I used to work in the morning.
Right.
And
Hectic.
then very, very hectic. And then in 2016, I started dabbling in comedy in 2012, just as open mics. And in 2016, I got full time out of my. I resigned from my job and got full time into comedy. Yeah,
It takes a lot of balls here.
it does. I had a lot of support. Yeah, from my wife, from my children, from my parents. Because people won't know. Like I was married with 2 daughters, but my parents are parents. They still had, अरे तुम काम वाम छोड़ के ये कॉमेडी लाइन, बॉलीवुड लाइन, ग्लैमर लाइन में कहाँ जा रहे हो? This none of us, we are like a business family. Where the hell are you going into this? But I think then finally they all sort of. I remember because what happens is because a lot of young people think that आजकल के parents don't understand what we are doing, but parents are parents. They really don't. Like I had to sell the concept of stand-up comedy to even my parents, even though I was 48.
Yeah.
Because living in a family, you have to. So I remember took both my parents for a show. Okay. And they just enjoyed. They were not understanding much क्या हो रहा है stage पे, but they were just looking at other people laughing, clapping and things like that. And then they said, yeah, कुछ सही कर रहा है तू. I should tell them, मैं कपिल शर्मा जो आप देखते हो, I do something like that. Comedy लोग के stage पे जाके हंसाता हूँ. And people don't understand why are people coming to pay to laugh.
Right. At that time, philosophy अलग थी जी. It was a very Western philosophy, very American actually.
Till today, you just tell people that I get paid to make people laugh, and you say, are you serious?
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, that's a blessing, right? I mean, when you look into it, I believe, I've heard somewhere that you are also spiritual in your right manner.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Right? So, there's a spiritual angle to comedy, which is, जो आपने अभी कहा, giving happiness to people, it's a blessing, and it must be coming back 1,000 folds to you. There must be some things that you must be
100%.
feeling.
Yeah. You get sometimes such compliments, which like it like touches you. Like it's like not even okay, oh, it was a great show and all. Like I remember long time back, I started doing comedy in 2012. Somewhere in 2015, I did this show. After the show, this lady came to me and said, like, listen, I lost somebody very dear in my life, and just thought like that she was aged. I felt she had lost a child. Okay. And she said, I have not laughed in the last 6 months, and I was thinking to myself that maybe I have forgotten how to laugh, and first time in 6 months I have laughed, and that like touched you so much that where it is sort of reaching out. She said, I thought I'd forgotten to laugh. I thought I'll never laugh again in my life till I die, because I think she had lost a very loved one. And she's in first time I have laughed in 6 months. Thank you so much. So these compliments you get, so many compliments you get, and I think those are blessings anyway.
Those are real blessings. I mean, people don't understand और बहुत underestimate करते हैं कि किसी को भी आपने 1 second के लिए भी एक smile दे दिया चेहरे पर. It's a big thing.
And I had seen this in Johnny Lever sir, who is the OG of a line, the greatest of all times. Even today, suppose you're walking on the street or you're in the airport and you see Johnny Lever sir coming, you start smiling because you remember him, you associate him with laughter. He has made you laugh, so you look at him, hey, Johnny Lever, like
Johnny Lever, Mehboob.
All these are
you, but you.
Yeah. Even today we get some, oh my God, it's you. And then suddenly there's a smile on their face, So I think this is really a blessing we have, that we associate people with humor. People associate us with humor, with laughter, and that is a good thing. They don't associate it with something negative. It's something positive. Yeah.
But making people laugh and smile and be happy is a very serious business.
Absolutely, it's very, very serious business. Yeah.
Comedy is a very serious business. Isn't that the old?
That's the
Please can you explain that? Uska matlab kya hai?
So people think that writing jokes, going on stage is fun. लोगों को लगता है कि हम stage पे जा रहे हैं, on the spot jokes बना रहे हैं. But each joke what we write, whichever comedian you saw, like Zakir has come for the show, Zakir, जो भी आपका favorite comedian, international में भी George Carlin हो गया, Russell Peter हो गया, Veer Das, who are these great comedians are, all these jokes are written. They are tested somewhere. Okay, हम जाके सोच के उस दिन सुबह को उठ के चलो 1 घंटा इस पे बात नहीं कर सकते हैं. It's all written. We know where to pause, we know where the laughter is going to come. So, and these have come by, we write a joke, हम जाके comedy club में कहाँ try करते हैं. कुछ चलता है, कुछ नहीं चलता है. We get back to the drawing board, again change that joke. One word here or there can change the structure of the joke.
Yeah.
And the joke itself will take around 4 to 5 months. Suppose मैंने आज कुछ नया लिखा. It will take 4-5 months for that joke to get chiseled. 5 महीने के बाद वो तैयार होगा. So that 5 minutes of joke has taken you maybe 1 or 2 months of preparation. That's why if you see most comedians internationally, everywhere in India also, they have a new special after it takes 1.5 years to make a special of 60 minutes. If you break them down in a number of months, suppose you take 12 months also, which means 5 minutes a month. Into 12, 60 minutes का एक set हो गया, नया new set हो गया. 5 minutes of original, good quality jokes if you can get, and that is one part. So that's how tough it is. Now you remember, now I come to see, like Zakir does shows. Zakir does shows, or like last night I was on a show, there were around 600 people. Zakir does show for 3,000 people. Okay, I've also done shows for 3,000 people. Now can you imagine 3,000 people, all coming from different backgrounds? Somebody is coming from a very urban background, somebody is coming from a slightly different background, कोई शहर से है, कोई थोड़े A class, B class city है, age is different, right? कोई छोटा बच्चा 18 साल के है, वो अपने माँ बाप को लाया है. Now I have to make all those 3,000 people at the same level, understanding me, laugh with me, हाँ, उसमें 1-2 जन होंगे जो were not interested, अलग zone.
90% of the people at least you have.
95% of the time, and you can feel it, you can see that जो laughter आता है ना, waves में आता है, it comes and it hits you, and then
what is that feeling?
सबको तुम एक level पे लाए हो, you got them to one level thing, and now you're talking to them. So, and everybody is thinking in the audience, ये मेरे से बात कर रहा है.
Yes,
he's talking to me.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So yeah.
No, it's like any draft. आप अगर films भी देख लें.
Absolutely.
And films में तो everything has its beauty, everything has its hardship. Films में है advantage ये है in this case कि 10-15 लोग involved हैं एक चीज के लिए. यहाँ पर you're the lone man standing. चाहे आपके पास एक team भी है जो लिखते हैं. And I believe you write your own work.
most comedians जो आप stand up देखते हो, they write their own. For when you write for TV, when you write for ads, obviously then you take help of writers.
Yes.
Or like a Kapil Sharma show, because it's coming every Sunday or every Saturday.
It's too much of
It's too much. So they have a team of 10-12 writers who keep on coming up कि चलो अभी दिवाली आ रही है, चलो दिवाली पे जोक्स लिख रहे हैं, अभी ईद आ रही है, ईद पे कुछ जोक्स करते हैं, so वो ट्रॉपिकल देखते हैं, you know, वैलेंटाइंस डे पे करेंगे. But we write our jokes, all comedians write their own jokes because most of the jokes are personal stories
Yes.
about your life.
It's self-deprecation also sometimes.
Self-deprecation is there, but also there are your own observations, your take, your opinion on something, and that could change from a person to person, you know. And so that's why you write your own jokes, because those personal stories, when they come out,
Have to
and
be.
when somebody is sitting, you are from Bombay and somebody from Lucknow is sitting, and he says, "Oh God, same thing happens to me also."
ये तो मेरी कहानी है.
ये तो मेरी कहानी, and let's see how you connected with him, you know, or her. Yeah.
I identify what you're saying from an actor's perspective. All the characters of mine that have really worked is like, अरे ये तो मैं हूँ. You know, तो you're giving
Brother,
that
brother.
हाँ, ये तो मैं हूँ. मैं भाई भी नहीं है, मैं तो मैं ही हूँ. ये identification है. But that's amazing. But you know, have you ever been hypersensitivity बहुत हो गई है. I mean, my personal point of view.
नहीं, of course है. हाँ.
कि लोग बहुत सेंसिटिव हो गए हैं, बहुत अवेयर में. अवेयरनेस इज अ गुड थिंग, लेकिन अगर आप प्रिटेंशियसली अवेयर हो रहे हैं, यानी कि इट्स कूल टू बी अवेयर, माई पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू इज दैट it's very bad for you and it's very bad for the environment.
Yeah, but you have to understand this awareness क्यों बढ़ गई ना, is thanks to this phone. Okay.
Not this one. ये इनका पर्सनल फोन है. It's not कि इसी एक फोन के वजह से.
सबके फोन से. You know, आपको अभी you have 5G connectivity. It's like a super computer in your hand. Okay, आपको अभी एक पीस है ओपिनियन देने का, right? देखो,
सबको एक प्लेटफॉर्म.
मैं बुढ़ा आदमी हूँ, right? Suppose आई एम 56. तो जब मैं अपने यूथ में था, तभी फोन कुछ था नहीं. तो सपोज आई वाज एंग्री एट समथिंग सेड, क्या करना पड़ता था?
किसी पॉलिटिशियन पे फेवर है.
सपोज पॉलिटिशियन पे एंग्री, क्या करना होता है? पेपर लेकर लेटर लिखो, ओके, फिर उसकी एड्रेस ढूंढो, कहाँ रहते हैं, यू नो. अभी अगर प्राइम मिनिस्टर भी है, एड्रेस क्या होनी चाहिए, यू नो. कोई टेलीफोन डायरेक्ट ढूंढो या किसको पूछो, यू नो, कि एड्रेस, कुछ गूगल नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, यू डोंट नो है. फिर आप एड्रेस सपोज ढूंढ भी लेते हो, फिर आप लेटर लिखोगे, पोस्ट करोगे, वहाँ जाके स्टैम्प लगा के इसको पोस्ट करोगे, पता नहीं लेटर पहुंचा नहीं पहुंचा, पढ़ा नहीं पढ़ा, तो
एफर्ट लगता है और टाइम लगता है.
टुडे प्राइम मिनिस्टर इज ऑन ट्विटर, ही इज ऑन फेसबुक, ही इज ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, एवरी डे ही इज पोस्टिंग. कमेंट सेक्शन है, डालो आपका जो ओपिनियन, आप गालियां देना है, जो करना है, ट्रोल करना है, डालो उधर, यू नो. सो इट हैज बिकम थिंग लाइक आई ट्वीटेड दिस सम ईयर बैक, every Friday new film critics, million film up born. पहले हम पिक्चर देखते थे, यार अच्छी पिक्चर है, यू नो. अब आए हैं लोग लिखते हैं, आई वेंट एंड सॉ, डायरेक्शन वाज सो एंड सो, म्यूजिक हैड समथिंग, द एक्टर हैड सम वीक मोमेंट्स, बट अरे यार, यू आर अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट, ये तो कहाँ से ये सब लाया है, यू नो. बट आई थिंक इट इज गुड. उसके अंदर एक क्रिटिक शायद, यू नो, दबा हुआ था,
फ्रस्ट्रेटेड क्रिटिक.
हाँ, उसको फेसबुक ने गिवन अपॉर्चुनिटी कि तुम लंबे पोस्ट लिखो और अपना, यू नो, ओपिनियन डालो. ठीक है, डालो.
वेरी गुड.
हाँ, भाई ये जो ट्रोलिंग चल रही है और सेंसिटिविटी क्या है ना, आई वुड से दैट एक थोड़ा अच्छा भी है. I'll tell you why it is good. ये जो वोकनेस आई है, sometime it oversteps, but I sort of agree with it, because I'll tell you now, when I think of it, when I went to school, you know, I was a fat kid, everybody called me Moto, right? जो चश्मे से होता था उसको अपन डेविल बैटरी बुलाते थे, जो थोड़ा काला होता था उसको कालू बुलाते थे, जो लंबू होता था उसको लंबू बुलाते थे, right? Maybe it affected a lot of people, you know.
Yes.
And that time we were not so sensitive.
It was absolutely opposite, no? It was opposite of woke.
Yeah, they were too much, right, you know. And किसको भी जो बुलाना है बुलाओ, you know. But today, and I'm sure it affected a lot of people, which we didn't think of that time.
I guess what you're trying to say is that सब चीज एक लिमिट में, दायरे में अगर हम बैलेंस करके करें, extremism is always not good in anything.
Yeah.
Extreme woke or extreme unwoke.
Yeah. But I just feel that, you know, one thing which comedy has taught me, because I interact with a lot of young kids, I'm reading better, you know, I've unlearned a lot of things, you know, and like, you know, पहले तो हम ऐसे मजाक उड़ाते थे, अरे she's so ugly, you know, ऐसे, then, and then you think later on, यार तुमने तो बोल दिया, it must have affected that person, right? तुमने तो अपने वो trolling, तब हम trolling, we were also trolls at one time.
बिल्कुल.
So now you're a little bit more sensitive, you know, and you all, like my kids are there. Sometimes if I have written a joke and I think थोड़ा है इसमें कुछ गड़बड़ हो सकती है, I run it through my kids, and they say, no, Papa, this you cannot say this because this is this, You know, I run it to some other comedian, younger comedian. He's saying, no boss, you cannot talk about this. Like, because it may, क्यों करना है? इसको change करना. थोड़ा उसकी writing change कर. Convey your point, but it may not really hurt
It doesn't
somebody.
hamper your creativity. Sometimes I'm sure आप भी agree नहीं करोगे ना कि यार ये तो मैं, come on यार, at the end of the day you're coming to have a laugh.
Yeah, but I know. But you know, I'll tell you what, I think it has made writing more smarter.
Of course.
क्या आप वो क्या बोलते हैं वो सांप भी मरे लेकिन लाठी भी ना
ना
टूटे.
टूटे. Correct.
Correct. So you convey your point, but write your joke in such intelligent way that people know who you're talking about. Right.
Correct.
So थोड़ा आप उसको राइटिंग अच्छा हो गया है. बिकॉज आई टेल यू एक और चीज़ है, हमको इंडिया में लगता है कि ये सेंसिटिविटी है ना सबका बहुत बढ़ गई है. राइट. Throughout the world. Throughout the world it has increased. Like, and people think you can't talk India में freedom of speech है, but like I performed in Dubai. Dubai you can't say some things about some things.
Yes.
Right. In Thailand you can't talk about some few things.
Correct.
Right. I think the only two countries I feel you can talk about, I think, is USA and UK. You know, Europeans also are slightly little, you know, sensitive about some few. So, and as a comedian, you know, try to write in such a way. And I'll tell you one thing for sure: no comedian writes to offend.
Correct.
Okay, उसकी immaturity है. Young comedian होगा. Like I'll tell you, some time back, a comedian in Malaysia, 2 comedians in Malaysia got arrested. The comedy club got shut down. Okay, but when I knew the comedy club owner in Malaysia, and he said, yeah, they were open micers. उनको क्या बोलते हैं, सेंसेशन करना था. तो वो आके कुछ गलत बात करके गए, you know, कुछ अगेंस्ट रिलीजन उन्होंने बोला.
Correct.
And
So
then obviously,
Malaysia में मेरे हिसाब से जो हुआ होगा, what you're telling me is that these kids want to come and sensationalize something, so they come into the news.
I think they were just too young, you know. उनको world view होगा नहीं, you know. Like once I went for an open mic here in Mumbai, okay, and there was a time ये पूरा बीजेपी का, यूपी का काफी कुछ चल रहा था in last election में. So every young comedian was trying to talk about cows and this and Gaumutra. Every second joke was on Gaumutra, this, that, etc. And I think people are not laughing also. और कुछ point भी नहीं था, कुछ opinion भी नहीं था. But then this is open mic. People are probably going there first, second time. So they sometimes think, not now, I'll tell you, in 2014, I was hosting an open mic, just some young, and this one comedian went on stage, and for 10 minutes he talked about pedophilia. Okay. And the crowd was squirming. Jokes funny भी नहीं थे. So at this, उसका show खत्म हुआ. He's saying, sir, give me some feedback. I said, first of all, are you a pedophile? You know, इतना तक no sir, I had read somewhere, I follow this American comedian, मैंने तो नाम सुना ही नहीं था. तो ऐसे dude, वो अमेरिका में ना वो कॉमेडी चल रही है 100 सालों से. डार्क कॉमेडी चलती है उधर. वहाँ there are comedians who make money just selling dark comedy, you know. So ये इंडिया इज अ न्यू ऑडियंस. कभी बेचारे आधे जन कभी कॉमेडी जिंदगी में नहीं देखी होगी, वो तो आके पेडोफिलिया के जोक्स कर रहा है, you know. वो तो बोलेंगे आज के बाद ये कॉमेडी देखनी नहीं.
You have to be sensitive to the culture also.
Not it was really, I would say it was his immaturity बोलो. He thought मैं कुछ एकदम अलग से, crowd will be go, wow, क्या बातें कर रहा है, क्या बड़ी America. There was this comedian who opened his set, big comedian, I think Louis C.K. his first उसका बीच में कोई special था. He talked about illegal abortion for 20 minutes opening set, but killer set. But अगर तू देखेगा यहाँ तो we don't understand it.
Identify नहीं होगा.
तुम identify नहीं.
बिल्कुल.
So you प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है ना, यहाँ के जो यंग कॉमेडियंस होते हैं ना, वो जाके नेटफ्लिक्स पे ढूंढ रहे हैं, यूट्यूब पे देखते हैं. वो यहाँ के जो कॉमेडी चल रही है कॉमेडी क्लब्स में वो देखते नहीं है. करेक्ट. एंड वो क्या होता है फिर, वो दे आर थिंकिंग अमेरिका, दे आर थिंकिंग, बट यहाँ तक क्राउड इज वेरी डिफरेंट.
You know what's happened also, and I'm very very pleased about this, कि I feel कि जब आपने शुरू किया, कॉमेडी क्लब था, आई थिंक पुरली में कहीं था.
हाँ, पैलेडियम में था.
हाँ,
कॉमेडी स्टोर.
और एक जब मैं आपके बारे में पढ़ रहा था, रिसर्च कर रहा था, तो समथिंग रियली स्टक विद मी कि एक व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप का कैपेसिटी 50 लोगों का था और पूरे इंडिया के
कॉमेडियंस
हाँ वहीं थे और करते थे. बट एट दैट टाइम इट वाज मोर इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज डोमिनेटेड. आई एम कमिंग टू द पॉइंट कि मुझे इतनी खुशी हो रही है क्योंकि अब आपके स्टार्टर पर जो हार्टलैंड है इंडिया से, वो कॉमेडियंस आ रहे हैं जो अपने भाषा में, नॉट ओनली हिंदी,
एब्सोल्युटली
नॉट ओनली हिंदी, बिहारी,
तमिल, मराठी, गुजराती, सिंधी,
मराठी कॉमेडी, माय गॉड. और इतने इंटेलिजेंटली कर रहे हैं अतुल कि अगर मैं महाराष्ट्र में रहता हूँ, मैं मराठी समझता हूँ, लेकिन मैं फ्लुएंटली बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ. लेकिन अगर आप दिल्ली में रहते हैं तो आप मराठी नहीं समझोगे.
करेक्ट.
लेकिन उन्होंने एक ऐसा तरीका किया है कि सिंप्लीफिकेशन ऑफ मराठी while गिविंग दैट जोक्स. ठीक है,
Absolutely.
उस ऑडियंस में आपको मिलेंगे 80% महाराष्ट्रियंस ही मिलेंगे या जो मराठी समझते हैं, लेकिन जो 20% दिल्ली से है, साउथ से है, जहां से भी है, they get it.
Yeah, and you put subtitles.
What's your take on that?
No, so first of all, see, I'll tell you the reason why. ये जो इंडिया में कॉमेडी क्लब शुरू हुआ था, द कॉमेडी स्टोर जो पैलेडियम मॉल में था, द फर्स्ट कॉमेडी क्लब इन इंडिया, ओके, विच इज फ्रॉम लंडन एंड run by Goras, Don Ward, Charlotte Ward, they were the thing.
Okay, I didn't know.
They were the owners, and they started this club with an Indian partnership. And they, because they were English they're from London, they said we want to start English stand-up comedy, right? तो तब इंडिया में comedians थे ही नहीं, you know, एक वीर करता था, एक पापा सीजे करता था तभी, because they also had come from Chicago.
आपने शुरू कर दिया था उससे?
I started in 2012. This club started in 2011. एक साल के बाद 2010 से 2 साल के बाद in 2012 I started doing my open mics and things like that. So if you have to perform at the comedy store, they had a rule, you have to do it in English because they wanted to attract a certain kind of audience. So पहले तो comedians थे नहीं इंडिया में, so they used to actually fly down comedians from London, from Australia, visiting comedians used to come and do a show. Shows होते थे Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, फिर धीरे धीरे you know we started coming up, but still the rule over there was English comedy, right? You're supposed to do English comedy. So a lot of comedians like Vipul Goyal, Amit Tandon, जो मेरे peers हैं, they used to convert the Hindi into English, so because they wanted to perform in this sort of mecca of stand-up comedy, the Comedy Store, right? Beautiful club. You know, I think that was really the catalyst of the stand-up comedy scene in India.
बिल्कुल.
Okay, and then what happened? Time passed by. They had a fight with them. They went back, and then what happened is a lot of Indian comedians started. The first breed, 50 people, 60
You
people.
guys, you all got together and created the culture.
We created the scene.
That's incredible, yeah. Amazing. You know what, guys? जब मैं अपने दोस्तों के साथ चिल मार रहा हूँ, गपशप कर रहा हूँ, इंटरेस्टिंग कॉन्वर्सेशंस हो रही हैं, जैसे कि अभी हो रही हैं, और एक क्रेविंग आ जाती है कुछ टेस्टी, कुछ डिलिशियस, कुछ फन खाने का, I always choose an option that goes very well with my tea or with my coffee. That's why I choose Americano coconut cookies. Delicious, fun, crunchy. And now, back to our conversation. Here goes.
Or then what happened? You have to understand, India was opening up, telecom rules changed, Jio came in. Okay, now suddenly you have every gaon wala, throughout India has got 5G or 4G data, 2 GB free data per day. So that kind of content, and now as a result of which, now you get comedians from all the languages, and you have to understand our languages like Hindi, Gujarati, the words, some of them are so strong. Yeah. They are so beautiful. आप सिर्फ word बोलो ना हंसी निकलेगी. You know, क्या बोलेंगे कि तू छिछोरा है. You know, the word छिछोरा only sounds so funny. You know,
Sindhi mein, what is your funniest few words?
the funniest word in Sindhi is gui. You know, which is basically ass bum.
What is it?
Gui.
Are you a gui man?
No.
No.
It's like Punjabi से टुई. Yeah.
बिल्कुल.
Yeah. So anyway, so
You're so right. These are words.
these are words. तो सिर्फ वो word बोलो ना हंसी छूट जाती है. और इन words हमारी language कितनी powerful है. English तो काफी flat है compared to it. You know, like I personally enjoy watching a lot of Hindi comedians. Even though I do my comedy in English, I think in English. Okay, but so and it has opened up the market beautifully.
Beautiful. And what talent!
And one more thing. पहले जो कॉमेडी थी was in the class A cities. जो फर्स्ट क्रॉप ऑफ कॉमेडी हम थे दिल्ली से, बॉम्बे से, बैंगलोर से आए हैं. अब आ रहे हैं वाराणसी से, मुजफ्फरपुर से, कोई गांव
रायपुर से,
रांची से. उनकी स्टोरीज ही अलग है.
The other day I saw a lovely stand-up comedian जो मिजोरम से आई थी. This lovely girl. उनका नाम I'll find and I'll put it up. But firstly, gorgeous. I mean, gorgeous looking girl. And the intellect and the pronunciations and फिर अपनी भाषा का इस्तेमाल. And I, for the first time, Atul, experienced a multi-language comedy skit जिसमें English से start हुआ, उनके language में गया. There was a bit of Bengali also.
Oh, lovely.
And then there was Hindi. And Bengali is such a
Such
sensual
a
language.
romantic language.
Aklo chalo rage. I'm like, sorry baby, प्यार हो गया है.
And more than the language is female comedians, that those voices are important, because if you see it, our line was earlier very, very male dominated. Those voices also, we want those stories from the other side coming, and some of the comedians are doing such great work, and through their comedy, they are telling people what they've been going through so many years, right?
बहुत ही important point. I saw something जिसमें, I mean, I get teared up when I say this, but this lovely girl, and I think I'll put that also, where she talks about उनके earlier age में उनके साथ जो sexual molestation हुआ, how आज वो comedy, stand-up comedy के through she's dealing with that.
Yeah.
It's therapeutic.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
therapeutic.
it is like that. Stand up comedy is you stand up for your voice, you stand up for an opinion, you stand up कुछ आप बोलना चाहते हो, you know. There's a lady, I don't know whether she still does, but her name is, I think, Deepika or something, उनका नाम है. You just Google Aditi Mittal. She's a very famous comedian. She had mentored her. She was a काम वाली बाई, going to people's house and
Wow.
you know, doing bartan and all that. She started doing comedy. She used to sell imitation jewelry in local trains in Bombay. Can you imagine her story coming out? You know. You know, and like hitting you, you know, and it's funny. It was so beautiful. I don't know why I think she's busy or what but she started doing comedy, like, and fantastic. I've seen her once live, and उसका YouTube पे भी video है. Please try to find it and put the link over here for your viewers. क्या superb, like, can you imagine? This is the India is so bloody unique. You know, you go to a country like Singapore. Singapore में अगर उनके वो ईस्टर्न क्रॉसेस, उनका कोई कोस्टल हाईवे है, उस पर एक्सीडेंट हो जाता है ना, दो गाड़ी टकराते ब्रश करते ना, वो फ्रंट पेज पे आता है, क्योंकि वहाँ न्यूज़ ही नहीं है, फ्लैट है. आप इधर इंडिया में टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया खोलो या एनी न्यूज़
कम पड़ जाते हैं पेजेस.
5 घंटा आपको मटेरियल मिलेगा.
और बिल्कुल क्या मटेरियल.
इतनी डाइवर्स कंट्री है, इतने कम्युनिटीज, इतने ये पॉलिटिशियंस, बॉलीवुड, क्रिकेट, आप जो बोलो एवरीथिंग इज देयर. क्या मसाला निकलता है यार.
यू नो, आप लोग हम जैसे लोगों के लिए एक बहुत ही अच्छे लाइफलाइन भी बन जाते हैं, स्पेशली बहुत सारे जो डिफिकल्ट टाइम्स होते हैं, कोविड. I think some of your best work came out of that time, when you really think of it. क्योंकि आपने एक सिचुएशन ली, जैसे कि I'm not comparing it, लेकिन जो अमेरिका स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी, यू टेक द एम्फेसिस ऑफ यूएस, तो वहाँ पर जब 9/11 हुआ था, तो ये सारे जो कॉमेडियंस थे जो नाइट शो करते थे, कोनन ओब्रायन मेरा एक फेवरेट है, वो उनका एक क्वेश्चन था, जे लेनो वगैरह, कि क्या हम उस रात को शो करेंगे कि नहीं करेंगे. और सबने यूनानिमसली डिसाइड किया कि हम करेंगे, क्योंकि इस वक्त सबसे ज्यादा पूरी दुनिया को और देश को हमारी जरूरत है, न्यूयॉर्क कम्युनिज्म. सिमिलरली मैंने देखा वो रिएक्शन आया था जब कोविड हुआ था, या फिर कभी भी कोई क्राइसिस आया है. आई वुड से इवन 26/11 वगैरह, you all didn't immediately do it, but मैंने 2-3 skits देखे हैं which were very sensitively handled. There was one very funny one, मैं शायद गलत बोल दूं तो यार एडिटर ध्यान देना, but it was how वो एक जोक बना रहे थे कि जो रिपोर्टर्स थे उस वक्त, वो जाकर इन लोगों को, जो टेररिस्ट के हैंडलर्स थे, उन्हें बता रहे, एक मिनट अभी ये करने वाले हैं. तो you know, वो टेक,
I think some of the mimicry artists ने किया था ये.
it really stuck. तो it's
Because
a lifeline.
actually, the 26/11 में the terrorists and the handlers in Pakistan, they were actually seeing our news and giving communication to the terrorists. वो कसम को बता रहे थे कि ये हो रहा है बाहर, ये. Then they shut
live.
Then they shut those cameras.
और वो भी बहुत पूछने के बाद.
हाँ. Then they realized कि ये लोग को पता कैसे चल रहा है. अरे ये तो टीवी की तो पता कर रहे हैं. वही सेम टीवी देख रहे हैं वो लोग. You know. So
coming back to the point that एक lifeline हो जाता है. Comedy is a very big
release. Yeah.
What is one of the funniest things that you heard during COVID, if you think of it, or what stands up for Atul when you say it's a very tough thing. I'm not going to put you on a spot. Lekin, for me, it would be what if somebody says, what are the best performances that immediately come? So what are the best jokes?
No, so during the COVID, मैंने funny TV पे देखा था. So when COVID started in 15 March 2020. That was really the date. और होली थी 10th March को 2020. Okay. So I remember एक गांव में वो रिपोर्टर जा रहा है and kids are dancing over there, छोटे बच्चे. This thing क्या है? नहीं, कोविड का त्योहार आया है. You know? तो कोविड का त्योहार, हाँ, वो फागुन इज होली. वो फागुन के बाद मोदी जी ने एक नया त्योहार निकाला है, कोविड का लॉकडाउन हो गया था. सो किड्स वर सिटिंग एट होम, सब स्कूल बंद, और बच्चे नाच रहे, कह रहे नया फेस्टिवल तो देता तो त्योहार है. हाँ. And I've seen another very funny thing. वो हैंड सैनिटाइजर नहीं लगाते थे. So this guy is putting hand sanitizer, and one guy takes, he thinks it's प्रसाद, ऐसे करके ऐसे बोलता है नहीं सैनिटाइजर है. You know, so all these funny things are coming out, and how, you know, different, because you know, you understand India is so vast. You know, I have to tell this story, you may not be knowing. When did India get independence? 1947, 15th August. Please Google it. Till 1953 or 54, which is 7 years after India, there was a village in India who didn't know that British had left. They still thought, they never knew that India had got independence.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं आप?
Communication नहीं थी तभी. Can you imagine a remote village somewhere in some Rajasthan या पता नहीं कोई hills में, वो खबर पहुंची नहीं थी.
My God.
Yeah, it is true. It's a true story. I also didn't make कोई comedian ने ये सौरभ पंत का एक set होता था. I remember where he said about this. And I told Saurabh, is it true? He said, yeah, it's true. Till Google it. 5-7 साल तक इंडिया में some villages didn't know कि India got independent. They think अब तक British rule कर रहे हैं. You know. So India is such a vast country, and we sitting in Bombay, Delhi, we are a different thing. Abhi, thanks to WhatsApp, thanks to social media, thanks to internet, things are collapsing. You know,
Yes.
things are collapsing. Today, I don't feel there's any difference between a child in Bombay, Delhi, Lucknow, Nasik, any class B, class C city.
Not at
We are all at the same level. We are consuming the same content. We're watching the same Netflix. We're getting the same WhatsApp, same news.
सब level plane पर कर दिया.
सब level पे आ गया. We are shopping from the same site. And actually, these kids in these smaller cities have got more spending power because वहाँ ज़्यादा options नहीं है.
और
खर्चे भी थे, थोड़ा खर्चा कम. Yeah.
Actually, value for life is वो तो एक financial topic, वो तो हम जाएंगे, but talking about a financial topic. Business of comedy. Look, आज भी लोग slightly reluctant है. अभी people accept कर रहे हैं कि ठीक है, मेरी बेटी या मेरा बेटा actor बन सकता है, entertainment field में जा सकता है, unconventional careers.
Absolutely.
तो stand-up comedy is still considered
Absolutely.
very niche. If somebody, कोई बच्चा अभी आज देख रहा है ये, और बच्चा क्या है, somebody older also wants to get into comedy. What is the business? Can you earn a living through comedy?
Yes, so you can earn a living through comedy. So where can you make money? So I'll tell you, as comedians, most of us, we do public shows where we sell tickets and we do shows. We do private shows, which could be private parties, किसकी anniversary हो गई, कोई wedding में करते हैं लोग आजकल, corporate shows. Then comedians are basically writers. So we write. We can write ads. We can make a script of a movie funny. Some comedians are on the writers' table in Bollywood movies.
Oh.
Right. Some of the comedians have recently, a comedian Sumiki Suresh, she has written the dialogues for Control, which is Ananya Pandey ka jo Netflix pe hai. She's written the dialogues, very funny. Okay, so those are the writing. A lot of, if you see IFA awards, Filmfare awards, you see Shah Rukh and Salman, not Salman तो नहीं, ज़्यादा करके Shah Rukh, Karan Johar जो hosting करते हैं, Ranveer hosting करते हैं, Arjun Kapoor. You think they have the time to sit and write jokes? The comedians like us, you know, who sit and write jokes. I had when I was in EIC, we had written script for some or two.
What is EIC?
EIC एक मेरा collective होता था, East India Comedy था.
Okay.
AIB, people know AIB, तन्मय की जो company थी, तन्मय खंबा सब लोग की, where
of course,
they wrote the scripts for IFA awards 2 years, right? And so we write those scripts because
all film festival,
Filmfare. अभी भी जो last IFA award हुआ था, some bunch of comedians हमारे friends वो लोग ने लिखा था, you know, because they come to us because they want fresh ideas, you know. वो line में भी है writers, but they feel we are more fresher, we'll write more slightly edgier jokes and different things like that. Anyway, so those are the opportunities. You can do a lot of brand work today. A comedian, like all of us are on Instagram, you do content work, brands approach us, you know, some brand like some will, because the salt pepper है, कोई आके बोलेंगे सर कोई Garnier hair का color का आप एक ad कर लो, ये कर लो. So there are many, but it's as you said right in the beginning, it's a serious business. Come to it for a very, I'm telling you, I ran a business for 25 years. I'm working more harder now than I've worked in those 25 years. Because I was a CEO of a company, I had a team and all. Now I'm my own person. I'm writing my own jokes. It's my own brand I've created, Atul Khatri. I'm trying to. So it's actually, I'm putting in more hard work than I used to do.
Right. And I'm sure that was also fun, but this is your passion.
This is also fun.
This is your passion.
Yeah, absolutely.
And also, let's not take out the thing that you're traveling so much, you're away from your family also quite a lot. So a little, आपने corporate show की बात की, तो मैं आपको एक बात बता दूँ कि मैं भी invite होता हूँ to host corporate shows. I do a lot of them, and I love them. Traveling मिलता है, you get to travel and you get to interact live. एक ऐसा शो था जहाँ पर एक बैंक था जिसका शो था, और ये कहाँ पर लेक कोमो इटली में हो रहा था. हाँ, बहुत बढ़िया. तो उन्होंने मुझे बताया कि सर आप होस्ट हैं और बम्मन निरानी जी जो है वो एक मोटिवेशनल स्पीच देंगे और हमारे अतुल खत्री जी होंगे वो पूरा करेंगे. हाँ, वही तो मैंने बोला यार, I don't care for anything. I said this that I don't care for anything else. Atul is going to be performing there. My only thing is that I want to sit in the front row and I'm hoping कि मेरी वो eyeline में आ जाए, मैं उनके eyeline में आऊँ तो वो मुझे roast करे थोड़ा सा. डर होता है ना पहले रो पे बैठने में, बट इट नेवर हैपेंड, दैट शो नेवर हैपेंड, एंड आई ऑलवेज, सो कमिंग बैक टू इट, जो भी आज सुन रहा है, कॉमेडी इज अ सीरियस बिजनेस, बट इट इज अ बिजनेस, यानी कि एनी बिजनेस आपको एक अपॉर्चुनिटी देता है उससे कमाई करने का, प्रॉपर कमाई करने का, सो इट्स अ फ्रीलांसर थिंग। ऑफ कोर्स एक वन मैन शो भी हो सकता है जैसे कि अतुल के साथ है, वेयर यू पुट इन योर ओन हार्ड वर्क, यू डू एवरीथिंग, एंड यू हैव टू हैव टैलेंट also which comes along with it.
It's very hard work. You have to, to write jokes. You have to go and try it in open mics. आपके joke चले नहीं चले, go back to the writing table, rewrite jokes, go do it. Because when you wrote that joke,
let's go into this. आपने पहले तो बोला था, but in a concise manner, if you could say, process क्या है? What is Atul's process?
So my process is, for example, I'll tell you. So I attended the Ambani wedding recently. जो सबको पता है, wedding of the century. So I was invited as one of the influencers for the wedding.
Okay. Not as a family personal guest.
No.
आपका मिलना
Even
जुलना
though
नहीं है?
I have performed for the family 2-3 times, but I was invited to the agency as an influencer. Okay.
अच्छा ये हुआ था?
हाँ हुआ था, हाँ.
अच्छा, I thought it was a rumor.
No, सच्ची हुआ था. I'm my new set. If you come and watch me, I talk about that. It's a
अच्छा, where can we watch you right now? In the next
I have some shows coming up.
Next 2-3 months, right? Right now we're recording this in around October end. Okay, तो November, December.
I think best is to follow me on Instagram or on my social media because shows keep on coming. मेरा भी कल शो था बॉम्बे में. अभी I will not do a show in Bombay now, but अभी मेरा शो बैंगलोर में है, चेन्नई में है, But I may put up some show in Bombay also.
Sign.
टिकट
डिस्काउंट
एक फ्री टिकट देगा,
फ्री टिकट, और मेरी वाइफ मतलब उनका
उसको खरीदना पड़ेगा, तो
बाय वन गेट वन, बोगो बाय वन गेट वन फ्री है ना। ये मर्चेंडाइज वेरी कूल, ये सब आपका हो सकता है। ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज कमेंट और हमें बताइए कि आज का एपिसोड आपको कैसा लगा। टॉप 5 कमेंट्स को मौका मिलेगा टू गेट ऑल दिस कूल मर्चेंडाइज एब्सोल्युटली फ्री। That's right. All you have to do is comment and let us know fast. So do like, subscribe and hit the bell icon and watch the Vishal Hour. No, go ahead.
So the process is you think of, so Abhijay I attended, so it was an experience, right? Sometimes travel gives you an experience, right? I had gone for a Justin Bieber concert. मेरा एक बहुत वीडियो वायरल हुआ. I went with my Justin Bieber concert with my daughters, right? And
wait a minute. Can we play a clip of it right now? Yeah. Have a look at this. One of my favorite.
When the day of the concert came, I was going to work. My daughters asked me, Papa, where are you going? I said, I'm going for work. Papa, we have to go to the concert. I said, but that's at 8 o'clock in the evening. But Papa, we have to go early. I said, why? You all have to open the stadium. You all have the keys. तुमको झाड़ू कटका मारने उधर? No, Papa, we have to go early because Alan Walker is playing. I said, who is this Alan Walker? You don't know who Alan Walker is? Papa, you don't know who Alan Walker is? I said, Bacha, I only know one Walker, black, gold and blue.
So हाँ, तो वो एक एक्सपीरियंस हुआ, तो उस पर मैंने एक सेट बना दिया, राइट? सो यू हैव टू गो थ्रू दीज एक्सपीरियंसेस एंड देन व्हाट हैपेंस देन, ओके, द प्रोसेस ऑफ राइटिंग इज आई वेंट थ्रू दैट थिंग. अंदर एक एंग्स्ट था कि मेरे बच्चे मेरे को काम छुड़ा के मुझे वो जस्टिन बीबर के कॉन्सर्ट में गए, दैट गाय वाज लिप सिंकिंग,
चड्डी पहने.
हाँ, चड्डी पहन के. माय किड्स हैड बॉट क्लोथ्स फ्रॉम ज़ारा के कॉन्सर्ट पे जाना है और वो खुद चड्डी पहन के आया था. ओके,
फैशन स्ट्रीट से उससे शॉपिंग की थी.
मेरे बच्चों ने ज़ारा से शॉपिंग की, एंड एनीवे, तो क्या हुआ, तो फिर वो सेट मेरे दिमाग में था. सो देन व्हाट आई डिड इज आई विल गो एंड ट्राई इट इन अ ओपन माइक, कि मेरे पास एक थॉट्स है, आर दे फनी और नॉट.
यू वेंट फॉर द कॉन्सर्ट, जस्टिन बीबर के कॉन्सर्ट के लिए गए, थॉट्स आए आपके दिमाग में, आप वापस गए, आपने उन थॉट्स को पेपर पर डाला,
थोड़ा पेपर पर डाला, ठीक है, थोड़ा
पेपर
पेपर
बाद
डाला,
आपने थोड़ा रिफाइन
किया उसको किया. देन आई वेंट टू एन ओपन माइक और किया, और अच्छा रिएक्शन मिला. सो ये क्या होता है ना, वेयर डू यू ट्राई आउट योर जोक्स? तो एक तो आप अपने वाइफ को बता दो, डॉटर्स को बता दो, और मेरे वाइफ के साथ तो ऐसा रिलेशन, इफ आई टेल हर ए जोक, अच्छा आई हैव रिटन, यू हियर इट एंड शी विल से या डैम गुड जोक, वो स्टेज पे फ्लॉप होता है. और यही बोलती है बेकार है, वो स्टेज पे चलता है, सो आई कैन नॉट रिलाई ऑन माई वाइफ, आई हैव टू रिलाई ऑन द ऑडियंस. तो मैं काम, आई कैन ऑल्सो रिलाई ऑन वन ऑडियंस. तो मैं एक ओपन माइक में जाऊँगा, जोक्स करूँगा, चले उधर. आई विल नॉट से कि हाँ अभी ये तैयार, नहीं, आई विल गो टू अनदर ओपन माइक, ऑन अ डिफरेंट डे, डिफरेंट ऑडियंस, अगेन ट्राई, हाँ चल रहा है, ओके. और जब आप कर रहे हो ना, आप ऑन द स्पॉट आप कुछ और जोक्स ऐड कर रहे हो. कभी कोई फेलो कॉमेडियन बैठा बोलता है यार इसके बारे में बात करना, यू मिस दिस पॉइंट, ये भी कर. तो अगर कोई अच्छा कॉमेडियन फ्रेंड हुआ हु विल गिव यू दिस एडवाइस, तो वो भी अरे हाँ ये तूने अच्छा बात की, तो ये ऐड, ये कर करा के द सेट डेवलप्स, ओके. Then it from 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 8 minutes, 9 minutes, and I complete it. And then in every comedy set, you have to have a high ending. There has to be a punch. Okay, जैसे ये जस्टिन बीबर में सेट का पंच था, क्या when I went for the Justin Bieber show, I met a lot of fans of Justin, बच्चे, you know, and my fans, अरे sir, you have come for Justin Bieber concert? We didn't know you were a believer. तो I said, believer क्या होता है? तो बोलते sir, fans of Justin Bieber are called believers. I said, oh, that way. I said, I'm a fan of Bahubali. I'm a Bahubaliper. You know, so that was the punch, right?
Yeah.
And so
Outstanding. So you have to end with a high.
very high. So तेरा set complete हो गया, 10 मिनट का बन गया. Then you do, and because it was a topical set, people will remember Justin Bieber concert only for 6-8 months. उसको फटाफट फिर YouTube पे डाल दिया.
हाँ.
You know, so that's how the joke की क्या बोलते हैं, sort of the journey हो गई. Started with the experience, with thoughts. Went and tried it, then wrote it, rewrote it, went on, started polishing it, chiseling it, extra word, card डालो, उसकी ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. See, one thing I learned, and actually I've learned this, I will give this thing to Mr. Boman Irani. Mr. Boman Irani runs this course called Spiral Bound.
Yes.
So I've attended that course. और बहुत सबसे best learning क्या है ना, whatever is not required in the script, काट डालो. Cut one word, you know. So if I have to say, I went on a Tuesday with my wife to the market, और उस पर joke कर रहा हूँ. तो ट्यूसडे क्यों बोला तूने? जरूरत थी ट्यूसडे की? इज देयर अ कॉल बैक यूल डू? क्या नहीं, ट्यूसडे को मैं मटन नहीं खाता हूँ, तो अरे हाँ, देन यू कीप ट्यूसडे. तो ट्यूसडे की जरूरत ही नहीं थी, यू नो. मार्केट की वर्ड मार्केट बोलना जरूर था. हाँ, बिकॉज यू आर गोइंग टू द मार्केट टू एक्सप्लेन टू द क्राउड, स्टोरी बता रहे हो, यू नो. सो कट करो, जो नहीं चाहिए वो फिर वो चिजल होता है. गेट टू योर पॉइंट फास्ट. एंड आई हैव सीन दैट व्हेन आई गो टू ओपन माइकर्स, आई सीन यंग कॉमेडियंस ना, वो बात है उसके जो क्या बोलते हैं प्रेमिस होता है ना, इतना लंबा होता है, तब लोग थक गए हैं. वो जब तक जोक आएगा, वो एंड सच irrelevant words are being used, you know,
And for the sake of it.
no, because they have not written it properly, you know. There are some very, like, there's a comedian, you should his name is Mitch Hedberg, मर गया, American comedian Mitch Hedberg. Okay guys, just watch him. He one liner comedian, एक line करता था, but each word like 6 words का एक, but killer jokes, you know.
Wow.
Yeah, like,
तो उसने फिल्टर करके ही पूरा,
मतलब उसका बोलते हैं ना, मोस्ट वेल रिटन जोक, मतलब एक वर्ड, देयर इज नो फ्लैब इन द जोक, पूरा कट, एकदम चिजल्ड जोक है वो,
पूरा फैट करती है.
पूरा फैट कर दिया, नो अननेसेसरी वर्ड्स, एकदम.
So Boman Irani, one part of his courses encourage you कि what is not necessary, you kind of cut out.
Yeah, even when you, he talks about more from the movie making, screenplay part of it. कि screenplay में भी क्या जरूरत नहीं है तो
काट दो.
क्यों कर रहे हो आप, you know.
Edited on writing only.
हाँ, edited on writing, so it becomes more easy, unless तुम लंबा शॉट खींच रहे हो, उसकी जरूरत ही
तो
नहीं
ये
है.
आपका प्रोसेस हो गया कि आपने एक्सपेरिमेंट किया, लिखा, ट्रिम किया, परफॉर्म किया, सेवरल टाइम्स परफॉर्म, उसमें भी आपने एडिट किया अगर जरूरत पड़े, और फिर इसे
अगर
कंटेंट बनाकर
कंटेंट बना के उसको YouTube पे डाल के कर दिया. एंड वंस यू पुट इट अप ऑन YouTube, फिर हम वो ज्यादा करके लाइव में करते नहीं है,
हाँ,
बिकॉज़ पीपल ऑलरेडी सीन.
हाँ, तो फिर
अनलेस समबडी रिक्वेस्ट कि सर वो करो ना, जस्ट
तो बहुत केयरफुल होना पड़ता है आपको, क्योंकि यू नो इट्स आल्सो पार्टिंग अवे विद ग्रेट कंटेंट, है ना, ये चीज होती है. सो दैट्स द प्रोसेस.
दैट्स रियली द प्रोसेस. मोस्ट हर एक का अलग होता है. लाइक आई नो वीर फॉर एग्जांपल, वीर इज वेरी वेरी डेडिकेटेड. वीर क्या करता है, सुबह को सब फोन में बंद करके जोक्स लिखता है एवरी मॉर्निंग, 9 to 11 जोक्स, जो भी थॉट्स आ गए, जो भी कुछ टॉपिकल हो गया, ये हो गया, रात को 2-3 AM में एक थॉट आ गया, जोक्स लिखता है, तो 2-3 पेज हो गया, विच इज 10 minutes ऑफ मटेरियल. देन इफ यू फाइंड समथिंग, ही विल गो एंड राइट इट ओपन माइक समवेयर. अगर कुछ मिल गया तो ठीक है, एक बिट बन गया छोटा सा, यू नो. एंड he does this every day.
No, thanks so much, you know, Atul, क्योंकि ये
he's dedicated. I'm not so dedicated like him. I don't think most comedians are as dedicated as Veer or some comedians who have a everyday writing process, you know.
How many times do you write in a week?
No, yeah, I'm very busy. I have thoughts in my head, but I may not write. It all depends on what frame you are.
Have you ever done something extempo कि आपका एक सेट, एक स्किट है जो आप परफॉर्म कर रहे हो, और करते करते आपको एक आइडिया आ गया,
and sometimes happens in the,
and you've gone with it.
Yeah, it happened just some days back, you know. कुछ बात निकली क्योंकि आई वाज इन दुबई परफॉर्मिंग, और 4 दिन पहले मैं दुबई के शो पे, वो कोल्डप्ले की टिकट्स लाइव हुई थी दुबई में भी.
अच्छा, उधर पे.
हाँ. तो फिर ऐसे ही मैंने पूछा कि आई वेंट, आई सेड कोल्डप्ले को कुछ बोला, तो यहाँ भी ऐसे, हाँ, दुबई में भी सेम हाल था जो इंडिया में था ना,
सेल आउट,
सब सेल आउट हो गया, वो 2 लाख पीपल इन द वेटिंग लिस्ट एंड ऑल. एंड आज क्या हुआ, इतने लोग इंडिया, पाकिस्तान सब आ रहे थे दुबई, जिसको इंडिया में नहीं मिली, चलो दुबई में ट्राई करते, अबू धाबी में जहाँ भी शो है. तो वहाँ एक कुछ मैंने पूछा, यू नो, किसको कि अच्छा, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू गॉट कोल्डप्ले टिकट. एक ने बंदे ने हाथ का, आई गॉट, अच्छा हाउ मेनी टिकट्स, तो 9 टिकट्स. मतलब देखो 9 मिली, तो मैंने सब मारो इसको, ले लो इसके टिकट जिसको नहीं चाहिए.
बिल्कुल.
यू नो, तो यार लोगों को मिले, तू नो टिकट लेके बैठा है, यू नो। फिर मैंने वैसे तेरे स्लाइटली ओल्डर मैन, मैंने वैसे मैं उसको बोला, अरे यार सर एक बताइए, ये कोल्ड प्ले के जो 4 बैंड में उनके नाम बताइए, पता ही नहीं था। तो ऑन द स्पॉट मैंने बोला सर मैं बताता हूँ, एक है क्रिस मार्टिन, वो सबको पता है, दूसरा है अनु मलिक, फिर सोनू निगम और शान, ये 4 है, यू नो। सर क्या फर्क पड़ता है, आपको तो पता ही नहीं है, आप तो जाने वाले वो बैंड, वो कलरफुल बैंड लाके वो स्काई फुल ऑफ स्टार्स में रील बनाने जा रहे हो।
हाँ बिल्कुल,
सब वॉइस के लिए जा रहे हैं, किसको आधे गाने नहीं पता।
करेक्ट है,
सो
follow the herd. Yeah, so these are things. अच्छा मुझे एक चीज बताइए, when you actually you know not roast, लेकिन when you talk to the audience, right? कि and I have a habit कि मैं पहले रो में बैठता हूँ. I just have it. ये मेरा habit है. I'm going, I want the full experience.
yeah, a lot of people do that.
I love it, है ना? And I'll play along. ठीक है. तो जब एक होता है ना कि स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियंस, हाय सर,
What's your name?
या लवली शर्ट, व्हाट्स योर नेम, वेयर यू फ्रॉम, ये सारे जो नॉर्मल चीज होते हैं, एक पैटर्न होता है उसमें, या वो दैट इज द टैलेंट दैट यू गाइस हैव दैट यू कैन जस्ट पिक इट अप, एंड आपने कुछ देखा कि कोई फ्लोरल शर्ट पहन रहा है, सारे सूट पहन रहे हैं,
It could be some lot
What's
of
the
things.
trigger?
You know, it can be a lot of things. You know, like I'll say, sir, you are a guy who has a good watch. You know, you see, I've noticed it. You're wearing like a thick, chunky watch. You know, plus I can see that you're slightly religious. You're wearing a lot of these bands in your hand, right? I will look at some things like this. सर एक कार्गो पैंट्स है ना 1980s में खत्म हो गया फैशन, सर अभी बंद करो सर, कोई कार्गो पैंट पहनता नहीं है, right? Then I'll say,
I am getting roasted.
then I'll
I'm
say we are
getting
wearing the
roasted.
same shoes, right? See, shoes दिख रहे हैं,
ये
shoes दिख रहे हैं,
shoes दिख रहे हैं,
shoes दिख रहे हैं।
एक मिनट सर थोड़ा सा पीछे आइए, ये गिडिंग।
Then I'll say, सर एक चीज आपका, आप पूरे सब क्या मतलब, आप पूरा पित्तल के हो, लेकिन एक चीज आपके सोने की, आपके जूते बहुत अच्छे, because I am also wearing the same shoe. Something, तो एक वहां से मोमेंट निकलेगा, it can be something what you answer. See, as comedians, so I'll tell you what, हैक क्या है, एक तो हमारे पास माइक होता है, तो वी आर ऑन अ पोजिशन ऑफ पावर, आपके पास माइक नहीं हो, ठीक है, आप ऑडियंस में बैठे हो, तो ऑडियंस हैज कम टू सी मी, नॉट टू सी यू, ओके। तो इफ यू आर वन ऑफ दोज हेकलर्स जो अननेसेसरी कॉकी आंसर दोगे, सर व्हाट यू डू, सर आप अपना काम कीजिए ना, मेरे से क्यों बात कर रहे हो, यू मे से दैट, यू नो, समटाइम पीपल आर ड्रंक, नो, जो हेकलर्स होते हैं ना, द ऑडियंस डजंट लाइक, बिकॉज ही इज डूइंग द शो, ओवर स्मार्ट, अननेसेसरी, you know, maybe he's got some limitations in his life, इसलिए आके यहाँ चिल्ला रहा है, you know, और he's too drunk कि उसको खुद नहीं पता वो क्या बोल रहा है, you know. So we have a position of power. First of all, you're on stage, तो एक पावर डायनामिक्स ऑलरेडी हो गया, मेरे पास माइक है ऑलरेडी, पाया में, तुमको माइक नहीं है, ओके। और आई टेल यू सर आप कौन सी पिक्चर में आए, तो you'll answer मैं इस पिक्चर में था, you know, सर किसने देखी पिक्चर, you know, so there I'm just talking to you. But I'll tell you one good thing again, a senior comedian told me, when you're talking, because the power dynamics are there na, just go with the flow, don't try to be cocky, the jokes will automatically come.
You don't need to be cocky.
You don't need, just have a conversation with the person and the jokes will come. Because एक तो if you are supposing, if you're not, एक तो तुम front row पे आयो, तुम आयो, suddenly I'm talking to you, and you get into a spot, अच्छा मुझसे बात कर रहा है, you know, because you have a fear, तो तू already तू थोड़ा पीछे आ गया है, तो मेरा already I'm ahead of you,
Correct.
and now I've pinned you down, and you know, so then don't do too much. Just talk to him, the jokes will automatically come.
And as you had very said in the beginning of this conversation कि आपका कोई intention नहीं होता है
No,
to hurt people.
no,
Your
absolutely.
intention is everyone has a
सब-
good time.
और क्या होता है ना, I'll tell you, even in roasting and all, typically we don't do it in corporate shows and private shows. I'll tell you why. Because in a private show, corporate show, relationships are formed already, right? In a corporate show, you could be the CEO, the CFO, the CIO, you could be assistant manager, HR manager and all that, okay? In a comedy club, एक तो आप पैसे दे के मेरे को देखने आए हो, तो you have, in a corporate show relation, they have paid me, right?
बिल्कुल.
And you are sitting with strangers. आपको पता है कॉमेडी क्लब का सेटिंग है, आप आओगे, मैं आपके मस्ती को उड़ाऊंगा, हंसी कराओगे, आप चले जाओगे, यू नो, बात खत्म, रात गई, बात खत्म गई। कॉर्पोरेट में इफ आई मेक अ जोक ऑन द CEO, आई डोंट नो कौन है, सर व्हाट्स योर नेम सर, ओह आई एम मिस्टर तलवार, ओह मिस्टर तलवार, ओके, सम चीप कमेंट्स है, सर आपकी तो बहुत लंबी तलवार होगी, ओके, हुआ ऐसा हुआ है जो कमेडियन, मेरे साथ नहीं हुआ है, किसने किया है, अच्छा सर आपकी तो लंबी तलवार होगी, यू नो, वो तलवार अपने, तलवार सरनेम किसने रखी थी, आपको पता है ना, तलवार बहुत लंबी होती है, आई विल नॉट इवन से, ओके, तलवार तो बड़ी लंबी होती है, एंड नाउ पीपल आर स्टार्टेड स्निगलिंग, लाफिंग, दिस दैट। अभी ये तो बंदा CEO है, तभी हंसेगा सबके सामने, अब तो 400 एम्प्लॉय के सामने वो, ही विल नॉट शो दैट ही इज अ डिक, वो हंसेगा, हाँ वेरी फनी, ऑफिस में जाएगा, बोलेगा आज के बाद कॉमेडियन को बुलाना मत कॉर्पोरेट शो पे,
बिल्कुल,
because the jokes will continue. मैं तो चला गया for the next 5 years. तलवार की तलवार आज बहुत छोटी हो गई है, आज उसको ऐसा हो गया, उसकी आज बहुत लंबी
राइट माइंड इतना सेंसिटिव होना
very important, you know, because I've got so many times corporate में, sir, our CEO is very fun, he loves to be roasted, he has requested, can you roast him?
नहीं भाई
I said, sir, I will roast him, he will get burnt.
या
Sir, ये सब
अच्छा लगता है
India's
देखने
got
में
latent में ये सब AIB roast में, all these roasts and all, whatever you see roasts happening in everywhere, they all sometimes written jokes, have to run the jokes with you. And we have, जब ये एक बीच में बहुत एक माहौल चला था, every corporate want, please roast the CEO, please roast the HR. So I said, okay, we'll do it. We'll write jokes, we'll run it through you.
and approve it
Approve it. आप approve करो. कल आप बोलो कि नहीं ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया, तो we'll not do it.
ये बिल्कुल
So then we just make some fun jokes, you know, कैसे सर आप क्या करते हो? Oh, I run the marathon. अच्छा marathon भागते हो सर, you know. So एक marathon पे joke करते हैं, not on him. I'll make a joke
on his
marathon
hobby or his
business.
passion.
Yeah.
बिल्कुल. But have you ever been? Has it gone wrong for you?
No, I never.
Never हुआ है कि कभी heckle हुआ है या कभी
Heckle तो होते रहते हैं.
नहीं in a slightly more serious than heckle way.
In the audience.
Overall, backlash from the media. See, because Atul Khatri is a name, right? आप
नहीं,
flag bearer हो.
ट्विटर पे मेरे को सब भक्त लोग मेरे पीछे लगे होते हैं पूरा दिन. उनका वो जो ट्रोल्स वो तो चलता रहता है whole day.
Anything which upset you, your family?
No, not really. But yeah, see what happens is, it's you know क्या बोलते हैं ना वो जो डायलॉग है, मर्द है तो एक से एक बात कर, you know, एक talk to me. But sometimes the trolls go, they'll find your old photographs of you and your wife and your daughters, put it up on Twitter, you know.
अच्छा.
They'll do this because they go to any level.
Really?
They'll go to,
Why are they doing that?
just to
To get attention.
get attention, to troll you, to
But any reason कि आपने कुछ किया था उस वक्त?
नहीं कुछ मैंने बोल दिया होगा गवर्नमेंट के अगेंस्ट जो बोलना चाहिए लोगों को. इफ यू डोंट लाइक अगर रास्ते खराब है तो आप बोलो रास्ते खराब है, यू नो. तो आप बोलो अरे नहीं रास्ते तो खराब नहीं है, वी आर इन 2050, हमारे तो सिंगापुर के रोड्स हैं, सिंगापुर के रोड्स नहीं है, हमारे रोड्स खराब है, यू नो. बट देयर आर लॉट ऑफ ट्रोल्स बोले कि नहीं वो जो दे आर पेड ट्रोल्स, ये जाके इसको ट्रोल करो.
So what's your take on people like Kunal
कर्नल कामरा,
Oh,
very good friend of mine.
yes, of course.
Yeah.
And an OG from your time.
Yeah, he's been doing comedy. He started a little bit 1 or 2 years after me, but yeah, he's doing great work. He's done such amazing
So he went
work.
through a very tough time.
Yeah, I don't know whether he found it tough or no. People found it more tough, I think.
Wasn't okay. And besides him, there were also certain comedians जिन्हें जेल में डाल दिया शो के बाद.
हाँ.
Even
मुनावर फारूकी उसको डाला था, मुनावर को डाला था, राइट. अब इसको अभी पता है आपको उसके क्यों डाला था? उसने पहले कुछ जोक्स किए थे, ओके. उसने he pulled down those jokes, he apologized for it, बात खत्म हो गई, you know. It was some election year maybe in the state. He went to Indore. He didn't even go on stage. He didn't even. It's true. Please read it. उस स्टेज पे उसने एक जोक भी नहीं बोला. But before he went on joke, some वहाँ लोकल एक MLA अपने गुंडे पुलिस को लेके आया, बोला ये शायद कुछ बोलने वाला है.
अच्छा.
एंड इट वाज MP मध्य प्रदेश में था, आई थिंक इंदौर में था, तो उसको डाल दिया पीछे, यू नो. फिर वो केस खत्म हुआ, उसको यूपी में डाल दिया. इट वाज मोर लाइक अ वेंडेटा बोलो या कुछ. फाइनली ही गॉट रिलीज्ड, यू नो. ही हैड टू फाइट अ लीगल बैटल फॉर 1 month, यू नो. फॉरगेट दैट. आप इतना दूर क्यों जा रहे हो? शाहरुख खान के बेटे को क्या हुआ? Right, let's talk here. He was not even, no, forget that.
I'm talking from I'm specifically talking from a comedy point of view. And of course, I mean, there's justice and there's injustice. There's right and there's wrong in every sphere.
Absolutely.
But the reason I'm not going there is because this is centered around the
Yeah,
goods and the
absolutely.
bads of. See, idea of this conversation is कि अगर कोई देख रहा है और कोई comedy में interested है, not only as a viewer, but also as somebody who wants to know more about it.
Absolutely.
कि
absolutely.
इसमें positives तो है, fame, fortune, money, Ambani weddings, Justin Bieber parties, great life. उसके साथ साथ एक नेगेटिव भी है कि ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो अपने शायद समझते नहीं है या मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग या जो भी उनका एजेंडा है, there can be a different side of it also.
Yeah, see, different side will be there. I say different side. If you don't like a comedian, if you don't like a channel, मत देखो. YouTube पे है. You don't like me, मत देखो. You don't like कुणाल कामरा, मत देखो. You know, I mean, किसने आपको फर्स्ट आप देखोगे भी. AIB रोस्ट में भी ये हुआ था, राइट? जो रोस्टर्स थे,
जो वो वाला था उसके साथ
करण जौहर था,
हाँ,
रणवीर था,
correct.
आलिया वाला. There were 18 cases filed against.
What was your first reaction when you saw that AIB?
I loved it. I had gone to see it live. It was at, I think, NSA में था.
Mumbai
I
में
loved
NSA
it.
में
You know,
था.
I loved it. The people over there enjoyed it. I was there. They got standing ovation.
There were elderly people also. There were parents also.
5,000 people or 4,000 people there. They got a standing ovation.
But आपको नहीं लगा
Entire proceeds of that AIB roast had gone to the तभी चेन्नई में एक साइक्लोन था या स्टॉर्म आया था.
Wow.
All money went to that for that.
ये देखा, ये किसी को मालूम नहीं है.
वो बताएंगे नहीं आपको वो, you know.
So why do you think it went out of proportion?
It was an election year. It happened in 2014, the election year. Every politician worth his weight felt that I am the guardian of the galaxy. How they talk about this about Farida Jalal. Farida Jalal को problem ही नहीं है. Okay, Farida Jalal पे joke क्यों की? Why is Deepika and Alia Bhatt laughing at the joke? There were cases on that. Why are these two people laughing at those jokes? Which laughing means they are supporting that joke, you know. So there were 18 cases on them. And actually, I don't say it, Tanmay says it on stage. उसका एक set था where they got arrested finally. And the police told क्या आपने बोला क्या था? हमको पता नहीं, आपके against complaint आई है. So वो वीडियो पे वो लोग AIB रोस्ट देख रहे हैं पुलिस वाले and they are laughing.
सच्ची में?
True story. Yeah. And they are laughing. इसे ये क्या है बोला? ये क्या है? But लेकिन सर आपको अरेस्ट तो करना पड़ेगा, ऊपर से ऑर्डर आया है. And they think while we are there, the cops are there and they are enjoying the AIB roast.
Oh, it was funny.
It was funny.
Yeah.
I mean, किसको problem किसको था? You know.
I see. But do
और
things
AIB,
like
I'll tell you what. I'll tell you. When we're talking about roast, the roast is the very lowest form of comedy. Roast में क्या बोलेगा ना? Suppose people don't know you. They don't know me, right? अभी audience को I have to say. So I'll say, Vishal is so fair, you know, that every night his wife something applies something on his face, right? Atul is so old because physical attributes पे जाते हैं, right? So some of the jokes like Abhish Mathew था, he is so Catholic that तो वो Catholic community filed a case.
I see. Okay.
You know, Tanmay Bhatt is so fat, Ashish Shakya is so dark. Then SSS.
Now Tanmay is not fat.
हाँ, no, he's rock star. क्या weight lose किया उसने. But yeah, I'm just saying that.
No, I get it. But मेरा ये question है to wind this point up is that डर नहीं लगता आपको?
See, डर क्या लगता है ना? Is that you could get into problem for something which is आजकल ये सब fake AI आया है, deep fakes, this that. They are changing our tweets.
क्या बात कर? Give me an example. I didn't know this.
I've got it on my phone right now. One day Modi ji came on TV at 8:30. Okay, जब वो demonetization हो गया होगा. At 8:30 suddenly Modi ji came on TV. कुछ था कि Modi ji coming on TV at 8:30. तो मैंने बोला अरे what is Modi ji doing on TV at 8:30? That's my question. Okay, my tweet was modified. What is Bakchod ji doing at 8:30 on TV? Okay.
By whom was it modified?
By the troll army. Okay, by the I don't know, IT cell bolo, jo bhi bolo. And this went on as cut and sent to lot of groups. Look at what this comedian is telling.
Wow.
Calling
that's
Modi
scary.
ji Bakchod ji, right? And I have both the tweets, right? Faye D'Souza, who's such a big journalist.
Yes.
उसके tweets were changed और नीचे एक छोटे line में है, this is a fake tweet.
Oh, like a disclaimer.
Like
बहुत ही-
छोटा तो लोगों को पढ़ेंगे
कि
नहीं,
जो
वो
सिगरेट
पढ़ेंगे।
पैकेट्स में नीचे लिखा होता था कि सिगरेट स्मोकिंग causes tobacco, अब तो बड़ा लिखा है.
You know, there are videos which go on WhatsApp where they show, you know, हिंदू जा रहा है गौ माता लेके, दिस मुस्लिम्स गोइंग आफ्टर हिम, गौ माता हमको दे तो हमको काटना है, एंड नीचे छोटे में लिखा है this is just a play, misimpression, something. These are all trained actors.
Sorry, you're feeling like Shah Rukh Khan right now.
Yeah. These are all
all.
trained actors. This is just a something. Disclaimer डाल दिया, वो कोई पढ़ नहीं रहा है, सब देख रहे हैं ये क्या हो रहा है. You know,
That's sad. It's scary.
it is very very scary. You know, this is an agenda to
And आजकल ज़माना हो गया है कि not the accuser, but the accused has to stand up and protect himself.
I am not a fan of Rahul Modi, but a lot of Rahul Modi's जो बोलते हैं ना पप्पू है, speeches है.
Rahul Modi no.
राहुल गांधी, सॉरी, हाँ मैंने दोनों को मिक्स कर दिया. तेरा चैनल बंद हो जाएगा. तो
Highlight, punchline of the evening.
देखो पता है राहुल गांधी का वो एक स्पीच है जो सब क्या आलू से मैं सोना निकालूंगा, वो था एक कुछ था which became viral.
Who said
आपको पता है राहुल गांधी का एक स्पीच था, कब देखिए आप आलू डालो सोना निकलेगा, राइट?
हाँ. Correct.
Okay, this is the cut करके चला, but actually if you see the original speech, Modi ji had said it, Rahul Gandhi was just telling him about कि मोदी जी ने ऐसा बोला था, but they cut the speeches and they always इनके एक एजेंडा था कि इसको पप्पू दिखाना है, ये दिखाना है, ये डफर है, इसको कुछ अकल नहीं है, कुछ भी बात करता है, राइट? बोला होगा उसने, पास में कुछ डफर चीजें बोली होगी उसने, you know. आई एम नॉट अ सपोर्टर ऑफ हिज, ऑल दीस पॉलिटिशियंस आर सब एक चित्ते बिते हैं, सब वो क्या बोलते हैं, all two sides of the same coin, whatever that thing is. But what I'm going to tell you is that कांग्रेस में उल्टा भी वो लोग फेक करते हैं.
Propaganda machinery is very strong
very
now.
strong from both sides. They're just इतना divide rule हो गया.
Social media has become a
अरे
very
आपके
dangerous
व्हाट्सएप
place.
ग्रुप पे देखो, आपके बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स के ग्रुप्स में जो झगड़े हो रहे हैं, स्कूल फ्रेंड जो आपके 50-50 साल के स्कूल पे, तो वहाँ ना लड़ाई हो रही है.
बिल्कुल. And very educated people है.
अरे हाईली एजुकेटेड, सब पोलराइजेशन हो रहा है इतना, एक दूसरे को खुला गालियां दे रहे हैं लोग. पीपल आर बीइंग थ्रोन आउट ऑफ फैमिली ग्रुप्स. ये क्या हो रहा है यार?
But it's a great amount of content आप लोगों के लिए.
ऑफ कोर्स.
It's a great amount of content. दिवाली का क्या प्लान है?
दिवाली का कुछ नहीं यार, मिठाई खाएंगे.
Besides, आप कहाँ खाते हो अभी?
नहीं अभी तो थोड़ा कम कर.
What is the fitness?
इतना कोई फिटनेस नहीं, फिटनेस तू है फिट, मेरे को क्या फिटनेस.
वो तो सर मैं आपसे कर 30 साल का हूँ, obviously नहीं, मजाक कर रहा हूँ. But on a serious note, you've maintained yourself.
I try to, yeah, because what has happened is lifestyle, if people don't know, comedy lifestyle is very tough. You travel, you stay in hotels, you eat after the show, which is late night eating. Then you've been...
And it's Sindhi, I love Sindhi. But one part of my Sindhiness comes कि यार जब कोई और पैसे दे रहा है होटल 5-star रूम का, और रूम सर्विस के लिए जो और कोई पैसे दे रहा है, so hello. Yeah, could you add
the lobster thermidor?
Lobster thermidor. Extra please. A little bit of सब extra.
नहीं ऐसे मैं नहीं करता हूँ.
मैं भी नहीं करता हूँ. मैं बस बोल रहा था कि मैंने
तो
सुना
कॉर्पोरेट शो मत दो उसको. मेरे को लॉबस्टर खा रहा है.
मैंने सुना था कि ऐसे
मैं
लोग
दाल
करते हैं.
चावल खाता हूँ अपने कॉर्पोरेट शो में.
मैं तो घर से पैक करके ले जाता हूँ. हाँ फिर या.
So that lifestyle is
It's
very
tough.
different. You know, you go, you have a show, and then somebody, no, sir, you have to have 2 drinks with me. Come on. The organizer will pull you. The promoter, the director of the company, come on, Mr. Khatri, you have to have 1 drink with me. मैं पीना भी नहीं है, but एक ड्रिंक पीऊंगा, फिर वो स्टार्टर्स आ जाएंगी. At 10, 13, 11 you are eating all this, heavy fatty food, hotel food. So that affects your health. So I'm trying to cut down, trying to exercise more.
Do you work out?
Yeah, I work out.
All right. Like weights?
I do weights, and this is actually, I want to give this. I had stopped doing. I used to do weights as a kid, but I've last 5-6 साल से weights नहीं किए थे. और I went to the gym once, and it's something which you don't do ना. Then that 8 kilos also ना seems like 50 kilos.
Muscle memory खत्म हो
जाती है. And I was like really struggling, so I gave it up. Then I did recently a show where there was Mandira Bedi co-hosting with me, and the guest who we are going to call, he was the brand ambassador of the brand, was Ranveer Singh. Okay. और रणवीर सिंह is a
energy power.
Energy. वो आया उधर, and he knew about me. I was surprised. अरे खत्री साहब. He said,
Sindhi.
हाँ. Then he came with the 3 of on the stage only. Mandira, audience छोड़ दिया. Mandira बोला, Mandira, did you work out today? And she said, yes, sir, I worked out. देखो खत्री साहब, she worked out. सर आपने वर्कआउट किया? I said, नहीं यार नहीं किया. सर लोहा मारो, लोहा से आपका क्या बोलता है वो मेटाबॉलिज्म something.
स्टेज पर ही चल रहा है.
हाँ वो चल रहा है, हम लोग तीनों बातें कर रहे हैं, वो क्राउड 2000 लोग देख रहे हैं हमको, बट ही इज सो कूल अबाउट इट. आई लव दैट गाय.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, and then it got me thinking, यार लोहा मारना चाहिए. Then my daughter has been telling, my daughter is a sports nutritionist. Papa at this,
she is? What's her
yeah, Mishti Khatri.
Can we find her somewhere?
Yeah, she's there on Instagram and all. She's
Give her, the handle and all?
it's I think Mishti Khatri only. Just search for Mishti Khatri at Instagram.
Sports nutritionist.
She's a sports nutritionist.
Okay, lovely. Please go on.
So she's been telling me, Papa, as you get older, you have to do more weights so that
Bone density.
Bone density and muscle, because you lose a lot of muscle mass as you get older. Have protein shake, but you have to exercise. And thankfully, the last 6-8 months, I've started working out and I've got back, not into that thing, but no, like at least I do a circuit training. I do thrice a week. I hit weights. Once, twice, I do cardio.
What's your cardio?
Treadmill, walk.
Can you take a breath? Because if you're coughing while you're talking about it, it's not looking very good.
No. This throat became dry.
What about diet? Because your daughter is a sports nutritionist.
Yeah, so diet is
I'm sure घर पे खाना बहुत ही clear.
Yeah, so obviously, as Sindhis, we love our fried food and a took and this and all that.
सिंधी कड़ी बनता है हर संडे.
अरे संडे कल खाया मैंने, कल संडे.
तो भेजेंगे आपको?
100% भेजूंगा.
है ना?
Yes.
हमारे घर में भी बहुत बढ़िया बनता है.
सब सिंधियों के घर पे सबसे बढ़िया बनता है.
आपको वो खट्टा वाला पसंद आता है या अनखट्टा? मुझे
खट्टा मीठा, थोड़ा खट्टा मीठा.
अच्छा मीठा, हाँ.
थोड़ा स्लाइट मीठा, but yeah, it's like a curry, like a proper, yeah.
मैं अपने नानी के घर में जब खाता था तो मीठा नहीं हुआ करता था,
अच्छा,
खट्टा भी नहीं खट्टा भी कम. तो एक पंजाबी वाली कड़ी जैसी वो थिक फीलिंग आ जाती थी. आई लाइक दैट.
Okay. No, ours is slightly thinner.
हाँ.
हर एक सिंधियों का एक अपना स्टाइल.
तो we'll do an exchange program.
100%. You send me tandoori chicken, I'll send curry.
Chops.
हाँ
जी. So yeah, there's a diet, there's a cardio.
You have to do because you travel so much. You have to keep try my best to try to eat before a show if I can.
Yeah.
So that you don't eat late at night.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
What discipline?
Try to avoid carbs in the night. I'm trying to do. मीठा तो काफी कम कर दिया.
What people forget is that 1 घंटा stand in front of audience and delivering a performance is not easy. It takes a lot of stamina.
Takes a lot of stamina. You have to be alert. A lot of people feel there's a misconception कि अरे 2 drink मार के stage पे जाओ मस्त मजा आएगा. अरे horrible. Never do that. Never take drink. Never take substances before you go on stage. You'll definitely going to flop. Okay, you'll forget your own set over there, and then you'll try to act cocky. You'll try to act smart, but it will not work. Okay, but I'll tell you one thing about stage is, and you know, it is the magic of the stage. Magic क्या है? When you get that laughter, na, I feel that the laughter comes as an energy boost to you. You know. Like yesterday, I had 2 shows.
Like for actors, it's clapping.
Yeah, a clapper, you know,
You get
whatever. Yeah, the हम लोग क्या होता है that the because we take a joke, we get an applause, right?
Instant.
Yeah, and I realized that because I started in the pandemic, we started doing shows online. You know, or online में there was no really live audience. You know, initially. बाद में थोड़ा we tried to see that 10-15 people out of 800 people are watching. At least keep their videos and audio on. So we can get the laughter. Yeah. But initially, sometimes we are performing to a streaming. Okay, so you are just actually performing to yourself. There's no clap coming. And I used to get exhausted in 30 minutes, you know, and like perspiring. And same thing I do on stage. It just gives you energy. Then I realize it's the bloody claps and the laughter and the hooting and the CT, which when it comes to you, it's like, क्या बोलते हैं, instant वो energy आके you're throwing it back. It's like a cycle which is working that, you know, and it's amazing. It's really amazing.
So are you already booked out New Year's के लिए? Are you booked out for?
No, actually New Year's पे
Diwali?
comedy लोग करते नहीं है, सब दारू पीते नाच के.
हाँ, है ना? Do you what do you do to unwind?
Unwind. I like to watch things on Netflix. Okay, I see that in the morning time I don't watch any OTT.
Yes.
Okay, my
Morning
OTT
time or the first half of the day?
No, throughout the day.
अच्छा.
Even if I'm free in the evening or something, I will not go and watch a series. जो कल मैंने छोड़ा था last episode. I like to keep it in the night.
Okay.
So at night,
Netflix and chill?
You could say that, you know, 11 to 12 to 1 o'clock तक I watch things. Watch कुछ comedy देख ली, कुछ something new. I keep it on my watch list and I watch all those things. And I like to go to the beach. I live in Juhu, so I walk on the beach. I find beach very, very therapeutic.
Okay.
You know, I like exercising. Yeah. So one thing, एक अच्छी चीज़ मेरे बचपन से मेरे पेरेंट्स ने सिखाई थी ना, शाम को घर पे मत बैठो, जाके खेलो. You know, so and this is a very good thing which I learned as kids. I remember we used to play cricket, we used to play football, hockey. जो season बदली होता था, we used to watch all that, play all that. You know.
Yeah.
So that same I inculcated in my daughters also. In the evening, if you see in my house, like अभी तो they are busy working and all, but initially in the kids, what are you doing? चलो go to the gym, जाओ swimming करो. You know.
Very nice.
I played squash for many years. I played tennis. I also started pickleball.
You still play tennis?
No, I don't. It takes a lot of time. Actually, I ran the Mumbai Marathon 13 times.
What
half
are you-
marathon.
Wow. तो ये मेरा एक bucket list है.
क्या? Marathon? Half
Yeah,
marathon?
yeah. I mean, just the basic part of the marathon.
Half marathon.
Yeah.
You're quite pretty fit. But
Yeah.
train?
Yeah,
and go
train
for it.
first. Train first.
There's a Mumbai Marathon coming now in January.
Okay, so can I touch base with you on that?
I'll definitely. You have to qualify. So Mumbai Marathon has become a such thing that you have to qualify. Just you cannot run like
So
that.
how do you qualify?
So there are some races which happen before the Mumbai Marathon. अभी थाने में होगा और किधर होगा. So you have
सब
to.
करना पड़ेगा मुझे.
You will have to run 26 kilometers, which is half marathon, within some 2.5 hours or something. हो जाएगा.
हाँ, नहीं हो जाएगा,
As
but
long as you
I know
train-
that
Yeah.
Diwali के वक्त, New Year's के वक्त, it's a little bit of a packed schedule.
So you do all that.
Next time.
हाँ, and then you can. And Mumbai Marathon is amazing. It's one of the
I know
best
that about
marathons.
you.
Yeah.
You've ran the marathon 26 times.
नहीं, 13 times.
13 times.
The half marathon.
Wow. Wow, yaar. Any intention of doing it again?
No, yeah. Again, I've not been practicing. I've not been training hard. And now, if I don't train, my wife will never allow me to go. And without
But,
training.
you know, we have heard stories of how
Yeah, that's it.
very
So
fit
you
people
have
are.
to train. You have to train. You have to, eat. You have to. It's an early morning sport. You have to wake up at 5:45 in the morning and start running, which means you have to sleep early. And I've not got into that cycle where I can sleep at 8 o'clock, which means you have to eat at 6:37, sleep at 8:39, so you can wake up after good 7 hours sleep and run.
Right. Very disciplined life.
That's for a marathoner. You have to be disciplined.
Of course.
Yeah.
But even for your lifestyle, you have to find discipline.
Yeah, you have to.
You know, as actors, as performers,
Yeah,
people on
absolutely,
this, we
absolutely.
have to always
Yeah,
be on the
yeah,
ball.
yeah.
For unwinding, I love playing tennis.
Oh, lovely.
आप पूछ रहे नहीं हो, लेकिन मैं अपने आप को importance दे रहा हूँ. क्योंकि it's the विशाल हार.
Oh yes.
You've taken it over as the Atul Khatri hour.
अरे I'm the guest यार.
या वो तो hell यार, it's but it's this.
विशाल आप क्या करते हो बताइए यार.
हाँ, मैं आप इतना इंसिस्ट कर रहे हो तो मैं बता देता हूँ कि basically I love playing tennis.
हाँ.
I hate going to the gym.
Oh.
I hate it. I hate it. I love being outdoors. I love being with my daughter because to keep up with her energies, God bless her.
यार. लोगों को पता नहीं ये इंटरनेशनल स्विमर, नेशनल स्विमर.
International. क्यों नहीं? क्यों नहीं? Water polo is what I used to play a lot.
Oh, seriously?
हाँ जी.
You
Love-
represented India?
No, no, no.
Okay.
No.
College level,
I
school level?
represented Bombay, Mumbai.
Oh, lovely.
Well, that time Bombay.
Okay.
Right. Kharjum Khana, very very happy and content that वहाँ पर है. Bombay Gym Khana. तो उस वक्त daddies did lovely things that they took these membership जो 500-400 रुपए में मिलती थी. आज तो बहुत है. Such a blessing. क्योंकि मुंबई जैसे शहर में कहाँ मौका मिलता है, कहाँ जाएगा कि टेनिस खेलो, ये करो. So that's a big blessing. But I also have a passion of avionics. I love airplanes. I'm a training pilot.
Model? No, actually flying.
Actual flying. I'm a training pilot. I'm working towards getting my PPL, private pilot license.
Lovely.
So I go to different places and I try to fly and all that stuff. It's very expensive. So if you want to sponsor me, please do that. But I also like gaming, you know. Gaming.
That's why it's here. It's like
Yeah, but I want to invite you if you want to, because
no, yaar, I have never understood this.
even I'm not that good at it. Let's try it. It'll be fun.
One day we'll come and we'll do.
No, let's do it right now.
नहीं यार अभी थोड़ा.
No, right now.
अच्छा ठीक है.
Let's do it right now. But this is my den, and this is where friends chill, chat, and जब आप अपना old monk और thumbs up पीते थे regularly,
जब 18 रुपए की वॉडका ऑर्डर आता था. हाँ.
बहुत ही famous है आज भी हैं.
अरे that's the OG यार.
जी है. Thumbs up के साथ.
Thumbs up के साथ यार. Not even Coke के साथ, thumbs up के.
Thumbs up के साथ. उसके साथ थोड़ा सा सिंग या पापड़. Are you a papad eater?
Yeah, but not like that कि पापड़ खाना ही है. But मिले तो
But
ठीक.
you're a foodie.
Oh, big foodie है.
What is your favorite food? Like go to?
In terms of the meat, it's mutton. I don't know.
But what kind of mutton?
So I will like spicy, like for example, tomorrow I'm going to Bangalore for a show. I'm already thinking नागार्जुना में जाके मटन पेपर फ्राई खाऊंगा एक.
अच्छा वो चेटिनाड वाला?
हाँ चेटिनाड टाइप. No, it's not chettinad. Chettinad is South Indian. This is more Andhra.
अच्छा तो क्या है वो?
मटन पेपर फ्राई आता है या कुछ आएगा. It's a spicy thing, you know. I'm staying at a 5-star hotel, but I already thought. मैंने कल ही इतना बेशरम फूडी हूँ मैं कल जाके देखा होटल. I'm staying at the hotel. उसके बाजू में नागार्जुना कितना दूर था. जोमेटो पे आएगा कि नहीं, you know. Because I'll get free food, as you say, the client will give me free food at the condo. I'm staying at the hotel. I said, नहीं यार, इतना तो क्योंकि hotel का pepper fry will not be there. Or I'll call up the chef.
I was just going to say.
I'll call up the
I
chef.
do that.
Can you make a good Andhra mutton pepper fry boneless for me with 2 chapati, chas? That's it.
थोड़ा प्याज.
हाँ,
थोड़ा नींबू और नमक है ना. और and I'll give you a tip कि वो उसमें थोड़ा सा put it in ice cubes.
The onion.
हाँ, first wash it. After cutting it, wash it.
अरे मैं खुद ही होटल में ये सब करूँगा. उसको बुला के.
अब जब किसी को बोले ना करने के लिए,
Okay.
है ना. और anyways free है तो trial and error नहीं है तो नागार्जुना तो है ही. But I do that. If I don't this thing ना, I call up the chef and I say, sir, ये जरा try कीजिएगा. They get it.
Yeah, oh, they get it
because they make it to the palate of
The
foreigners and
international,
जो हाँ.
they'll have a mutton rogan josh somewhere वही बनाएंगे.
And they appreciate it यार. मौका मिल रहा है कि अब डाल वो. तो
मैं तो शेफ को बताया
मटन is a go to.
कहाँ से हो? हाँ. तो हाल से कहाँ से हो? आप लोकल हो कि नहीं? तो हम उत्तराखंड के. तो ना उत्तराखंड का है may not make a good Andhra. You know. So आपके पास कोई आंध्रा sous chef है? तो आप कैसा? What do you want? I said, can you make a mutton pepper fry with still South Indian style, boneless with lot of curry patta?
भूख लग
तो
रही
इसे
है. But that's your go to mutton.
I mean something which is local. Like I remember once I was on this crazy diet and I went for the show in Guwahati. Okay. और मेरा बहुत था कि होटल डाइट पे हूँ. होटल के बाद I mean after the show I'll go clear soup, vegetable and salad. Okay. शो खत्म हुआ एक कॉमेडियन मिला मतलब वहाँ का लोकल. बोलते सर what are you doing after the show? I said no I'm going. No sir, there's a very good tribal Assamese food place. Tribal food. कुछ ऐसा उसने कुछ नाम बोला. I forget the tribal Assam कुछ नाम बताया. So they put this spice and all. Hell with the diet, chal.
Obviously.
We went
No,
driving in the night at 10 o'clock to some dhaba in near Guwahati and what crazy bloody mutton and this and all that. Gaya bahar mein diet.
Yeah. Come on, you gotta live a little.
Guwahati. They're thinking like कब आएंगे कब पता नहीं खाएंगे ये.
बिल्कुल.
All these things. Yeah.
I do the same thing. I travel whenever I travel ना मैंने flights लिए internationally stopping at places so that I can go. हाँ बैंकॉक में एक जब भी मलेशिया में होता है तो you sometimes you take a flight via Bangkok or something. You can go directly. लेकिन वहां पर एक I promise you एक ठेले वाली है 80 year old lady, Michelin star मिल गया
हाँ
है.
हाँ आजकल तो बहुत है मिशेलिन स्टार
हाँ,
बैंकॉक
ठेला वाली.
what she makes, she makes pad thai noodles. What she make? No.
This is the photograph of her.
हाँ.
She makes everything, all the Thai food. Okay, she wears goggles. She has gumboots still here. She has an apron. 80-year-old, and she's on a walk. So pad thai, prawns, everything. And I've been twice, and I've not got a place to eat. Imagine I've gone to a country. और आपको मालूम है कि बैंकॉक का एयरपोर्ट 1-1.5 घंटा दूर है. तो मैंने प्लान किया कि मैं सुबह लैंड करूंगा, जल्दी फ्लाइट लूंगा, ड्राइव करूंगा, खाना खाऊंगा, फिर वापस जाऊंगा. नो,
sold out के
दो
खत्म हो
बार.
गया.
So brought. And every time you have to take on online. I'll give you the name of the restaurant. I'll tell you all. You'll have to book it like 1 year advance. So I'm also a foodie. I just wanted to know. Food is amazing, yeah. But right now, के लिए let's hit this for a second, right?
That was me.
Oh! Atul! Stop it!
Oh. This is fun, यार. ए मत मार.
क्यों? ये वापस.
ओ क्या नॉकआउट है मैं?
नहीं, अंदर आ जाओ.
मेरे को तुम्हें उठ बच्चे उठ.
Stop! ये आप खुन्नस निकाल रहा है.
बात तेरी. Get up. इधर भी फेक है लोग का. कुछ किया भी नहीं, ऐसे ही उठा हुआ.
How's your back, sir?
Very good.
How's your back?
अरे लोग कहीं मारता हूँ तेरे को. See, I'm getting my green back. अरे शाबाश.
No! Yeah!
मेरा जॉन सीना.
What is backside called in
गुई. गुई.
गुई ले लिया आपने. गुई ले ली. Well played, sir. Well played. अरे सर, देखा मैंने पहले से ही बोला था. अच्छा, before we wrap, I have a few names. मैं एक नाम लूंगा एक और आप immediately जो आपके दिमाग में आता है. Okay, let's start with बहुत famous एक rock band है, Coldplay.
टिकट नहीं मिलेगा, आगे बढ़.
डोनाल्ड ट्रंप.
झूठा नंबर 1 विथ ऑरेंज हेयर.
अच्छा, पाकिस्तान के जो बहुत ही फेमस क्रिकेटर हैं, कैप्टन भी रहे हैं, बाबर आजम.
तेल लगाओ डाबर का, विकेट गिराओ बाबर का. और एक्चुअली ये लाइन हमारे कैमरामैन ने मुझे दी अभी.
पैन करो, गौर से देखो. इधर आ दीपक, इधर आजा, बैठ जा. एक
लाइन दिया.
एक सेकंड.
पाकिस्तानी इसको मारो. मैं
दीपक के लिए तालियां.
तेल लगाओ डाबर का.
क्या आपने क्या बोला?
विकेट गिराओ बाबर का.
तेल लगाओ डाबर का, विकेट गिराओ बाबर का.
गेट आउट. ओके, आपका फेवरेट जस्टिन बीवर.
कच्छा, गंजी, उल्टी टोपी.
लिपसिंक
तो करता ही है.
अब मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा है क्योंकि द विशाल आर सबसे घटिया शो.
अच्छा.
साला इधर से 2 घंटे से बिठाया, मुझे पैसा नहीं दिया, पानी नहीं दिया, तो खाली कप है इधर. ये क्या हो रहा है, ये पता नहीं क्यों मैं आया हूं. अबे चुप कट. अबे कट करो यार, कट करो. But on a serious note, Atul Khatri, you are a rock star, मेरे दोस्त. And
so much. So great fun. Like talking to a brother. Yeah, it's like घर बैठे दोस्त बातें कर रहे हैं. That's so good.
I felt it too, yaar. I really did.
Thank
and
you
you
so
made me feel so comfortable. इतना कुछ achieve किया है. He's broken the mold and inspired so many. And I hope कि इस conversation से बहुत सारे जो लोग हैं जो comedy में घुसना चाहते हैं, उन्हें सिर्फ मजा ही नहीं आया, लेकिन एक I don't want to use the word education, लेकिन एक तरीका पसंद आ गया. एक तरीका उन्होंने मिला है, एक तरीका जिसमें business of comedy, process क्या है, जोक्स लिखने का, परफॉर्मेंस का, हाउ डू यू एक्चुअली गेट इनटू इट. और ये सब कुछ साबित हो गया है कि ये भी एक लेजिटिमेट बिजनेस है, एक लेजिटिमेट प्रोफेशन है.
But hard working है. Come here for the hard work. There's no fun here. Fun is only for the audience. You have to be very hard working.
Comedy is really, really serious work. Atul Khatri, an absolute
Thank you so
pleasure,
much.
and thank you for so much for being on the Vishal Hour. So please subscribe. I don't know if he has a YouTube channel. Do you have a YouTube channel?
I have my YouTube channel. I have an Instagram. I'm on all social media channels. Please follow me.
Twitter?
Yeah, Twitter also. I'm there.
Instagram?
हाँ, Twitter पे आके गाली मत देना मुझे. हाँ,
Please.
हाँ, और I'm everywhere. If you have any good things, come and tell me. Bad things, इसको जाके बोलो.
I would say right back to him. But love, subscribe, love,
Comment,
follow,
share,
love,
subscribe,
comment, but love
delete,
to this man.
जो करने का.
He deserves it all. He's really a brother to me. And मेरे बारे में बोलना मुझे भी
ये
चाहिए.
भी बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है. He's a good looking guy. You know, pink shirt, same shoes like me. हाँ, हाँ, बहुत अच्छा. सब्सक्राइब करो इसके चैनल पे. बहुत अच्छा
Very
चैनल है.
talented.
Very talented. They're very good. One of my favorite Zakir Khan, my friend, he is there on this channel. बहुत बड़े बड़े लोग हैं. Please follow. जाके देखो, रोज देखो.
सुना अभी करो. अतुल खत्री की बात सुनो. विशाल आर को सब्सक्राइब करो और अतुल खत्री के चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब करो. है ना?
Yes.
Do it.
सब follow करो. हाँ.